Well, a very, very good afternoon and a warm welcome to this beautiful Tornado Red VW Golf GTi 5-door performance model with some very, very nice, valuable extra features, no less. The wheels that you're seeing in front of you, the 19-inch wheels, are an upgrade. Also, the tilt and slide panoramic glass sunroof is another option, and it has an upgraded stereo system inside the vehicle, Dyne Audio. The vehicle's finished, as I say, in Tornado Red. It's got the dark interior. We have every single service with this car. It has covered 81,000 and I think 300 miles. Simon part exchanged it with us for an Audi RS3, and a very nice chap, and actually has left a tank full of fuel in this car for whoever buys it. So how wonderful is that? It's passed its MOT, no advisories, it flew through that. We have had it inspected off the road, on the ramps, wheels off, check the brakes, which were replaced not long ago in fairness. Tyres are all matching Pirellis, and there's been no expense spared on the servicing and maintenance. It's had the all-important DSG gearbox oil change. It's had 2 of those actually, and everything is documented, and we'll hand those documents over to the new buyer owner of this vehicle. We've been established for 28.5 years, and in those years we've delivered cars all around the UK without a single rejection or return. So for 13 years, way before COVID hit us and people didn't know what to do, we just carried on as normal because we've got a robust, very good operation for delivering cars. You can of course come and see us here and meet us and see the car here as well at HQ in Crewe in Cheshire. You'll be given a warm welcome. All our reviews are available on Auto Trader, Google and Facebook. And indeed, we've just last week been awarded for the 7th consecutive year since it started Auto Trader's award for customer service, customer experience. So we're rightly delighted and very humbled to have received it yet again. As I say, we're in almost, I think there's less than 1% of dealers have been awarded it for 7 years on the bounds, should I say. So thank you very much to all our customers and supporters. Let's take you into the car. We have front and rear parking sensors, and there's also a reverse camera. The 7.5 model Golf, this one, so you've got the slightly refined front of the vehicle. It goes into the headlight units, the red detailing. I don't know whether the glare from the headlights might prevent you from seeing it, but it does go into the headlights. So what I'm talking about is the design here goes and carries on into the headlight unit. There are some stone chips on the bonnet, but you will be hard pressed to see them because we have touched them in using the Volkswagen Tornado Red touch-up pencil. All the wheels are in great condition, and all the tyres are matching, and all got, dare I use the word mega, but I am, mega tread on them. So everything is absolutely spot on, including new discs, front and rear, with pads as well, not replaced too long ago. Again, that's documented, and as I said, we will be passing that on to the buyer of this vehicle. It's rather a first one for us because we tend to be known for low mileage cars, and we probably wouldn't have bought this car had we been buying it through a third or fourth party. We do buy a lot of cars from people that have them, the owners, but we also buy cars from other sources. So we were able to meet Simon and test drive the car, look over it, and it's a credit to him, really, an absolute credit to him how he's maintained and looked after the car. He enjoyed his vehicle detailing, so it makes our job a lot less intense. But we've given it our customary ceramic paint coating after machine polishing the vehicle. So that now has a sort of ceramic coating over the whole vehicle. And we do have our own products which we offer through our online shop at BCP Car Care. So you will be able to top it up with some ceramic should you wish to. Lovely rear, those customary GTi lamp units, twin exhausts, and the reverse camera that comes out of the Volkswagen tailgate badge. The vehicle also has a space saver spare wheel, so that's great. There are some carpets in the car, over the floor carpets. There's also a second set, which I think Simon got when he bought the car from Volkswagen, they just didn't use them, so he preferred some with the red detailing on that. Those are the ones that are in the car, so there's a set of mats there, front and rear, so that's another bonus for somebody. So the sunroof is in tilt, but it will slide back as well. And those are, you see the camera can focus, that's our latest award, highly rated for customer service 2024. So there we go. I don't know really why I didn't collect the others, because we should have had the stickers from, well, we did have them, but we just didn't sort of see the sort of need to display them, which is a rather funny, rather silly really, isn't it? So, but on our website you'll see all the awards that we have won for customer care, and certainly our Google reviews and Auto Trader reviews are 5-star. So what you see is what you receive. So if we say there's something wrong with the car, or there's a scratch or something, we'll tell you about it in the video. If we don't say there is, then there isn't. And likewise inside the car, it's pretty much unmarked. You could put this car down for 35,000–40,000 miles. So that is why we are selling it again. Try and get in without falling over. It's been a long day today, and I have got a few more hours to go yet. So nice digital dashboard display. I've got my phone connected. I've sort of hidden it away actually, but it's on Apple CarPlay. If you can just see that, it's actually just in there. Look, it's got a nice Volkswagen cable, USB cable, quite posh actually. Air conditioning, heated seats, 3-stage. If you want to go back to the Volkswagen screen, you just press the Volkswagen emblem and it takes you back to the Volkswagen system, or press on Apple CarPlay just there. Climate control, that's climate control, air conditioning. Stop start button, it's I'm not sure, because we don't often get Golfs. They tend to be very expensive, to be honest, so we tend to stay away from them. We think they're sort of too expensive, but obviously people who buy them don't. Engine stop start, so whether that's standard on this I'm not sure, so maybe you can comment on the video if it is standard. But it has got keyless entry, so, and stop start, sorry, engine button stop start, as well as having stop start just there. You can override it, and then you've got the mode switch, so that gives you an option to go, we've got it in sport or normal, and individual, comfort. I would imagine those two are going to be the ones most used. Nice cup holding area, 2 cups there. Electronic handbrake, auto hold, 12-volt socket. How nice is that? Wireless car charging, so you can charge your phone there. Adjustable steering wheel. It has cruise control and speed limiter. May have lane departure or blind spot monitor, I'm not sure. And that looks like it's an active cruise control if it's programmed in, so I'm sure we haven't driven. I did drive it to the workshop, which is about 5 miles, but we haven't sort of fully experienced it on the open road at high speed or a fat speed where you can see if all those features are tuned in, plugged in, should we say. But just they're there anyway. This is voice activation. Let's see if that's cancel. Oh, that's saying you can activate it through Volkswagen, so it's not been activated, so it doesn't have activation on the voice control, but you can have it activated by visiting your Volkswagen dealer, so you may want to do that, I don't know. Let's have a look what we've got here. So you've got different, including the navigation. And can you turn that down? I think you can. Let's just go down, see if you can get navigation on there. Yeah, because we've got it on Apple CarPlay, let's just go to nav, see if it comes on. It's probably an earlier system, is it? Is it going to show us? Yeah, so let me just go through. Sorry to be talking. Should have done all this before you started the video, David. So because I've got Apple CarPlay, I'm pretty sure that the navigation projected onto there. I'm sure it did, but I may be wrong, So let's just see if I can find that out, and I'll put a note into the wording of the advert. Okay, so inside it's a lovely place to be. There's the sunroof, panoramic roof rather, and it will open up just like that. Sorry about the sun. Decided to come back out again now, the sun has. So this is our 2019, I didn't tell you that, did I, 19 plate Golf GTi Performance in Tornado Red. Just a smidgen over 81,000 miles. It's available from us now, if I don't fall over. And car finance and part exchange are available on this vehicle. So there you go, that's our beautiful Tornado Red GTi Performance, available now from Cheshire Cars, Crewe in Cheshire. I'll have a wonderful day, and I will note if it's got the navigation map projected in between the speedo and the rev counters. I'll make a note in the advert. Thank you very, very much. We hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.